everybody, it's Mrs. Mambo here from the Mambo's YouTube channel. I just woke up. Yesterday I went to my friend's place and we had some quite harvesting, and this is one of the things we harvested. For those who do not know, I also didn't know this is zucchini squash. So I'm going to make this for my family.
Yeah, you can tell them. You can tell them how it is known in Swahili. Some of your viewers will watch.
Zucchini. I do not know how.
No,
to
you call
squash.
It squash. So squash is.
What is squash in Kiswahili?
Squash malenge. Or
malenge is pumpkin.
Or pumpkin.
Apparently, I discovered squash and pumpkin are two different things.
Oh.
But as for me, I think I see them as the same thing. So this is zucchini squash, and she told me how to make it because I had no idea. So let me make it the way she told me, she explained to me, and see how it's gonna taste.
The first time.
In this house we have problems with squash. We love pumpkins, but it's about to change.
Yeah, it will depend with the taste of zucchini.
So guys, from wherever you grew up, did you guys used to eat zucchinis? Because us, we never ate zucchini. Definitely. That's why I do not know it. Tell us. How old were you when you discovered there is a difference between zucchini and squash? How old were you when you discovered that? So I'm just going to remove the seeds from the middle here. This thing is tricky, you might cut yourself easily. And put it right there. That is a baking tray. That's how I'm going to make my zucchini. Using a baking tray. So it's definitely, I'm going to put them in the oven. And you see that. Yeah, she said it is so yummy. Let's see how yummy it can be. I'm doing exactly what she told me. So she said I cut them all round, like I've just done it. By the way, when I was at my friend's house, I did a August garden update. It is her name is Doreen, and it's gonna be posted on Busy Mom's channel. So we're gonna put a link down here below for Busy Mom's channel, which is me. Please go there, like and subscribe, and see how busy this woman is. So go watch her video. The video of my friend's garden. It's my video, but it's from her garden. She has amazing things right there. We worked. Hey, we worked. There's something with this United States video vlogger, somewhere, whatever, YouTubers. You do the work of recording yourself while you're doing the work of what you're actually recording. So most of the time we do not have videographers, and that's because it's not cheap or to afford one, so you might as well do the work yourself. But I'm glad today I have my own person, Mr. Mambo mwenyewe, the videographer for this content. Yeah. Let's eat our squash zucchinis and see how it's gonna turn out. I don't know if I should use all of it.
You can keep the rest in the fridge.
I keep the rest in the fridge?
If it cannot fit.
So when am I gonna use this one? That's the problem. I would probably, or maybe boil a part of it for baby. On the pot. Every part, man, has has seeds, except here. This is gonna be for baby. Excuse me. Like I said earlier, I don't know how many of my viewers who have ever eaten squash. So tell us down below, how old were you when you discovered squash or when you started eating it? How old were you? For me, I'm this old. It's my first time trying squash at this age of mine. At the rate we are going, I think if it's gonna turn out good, we might embrace squash for the rest of our life.
Please, help Emmanuel remove the.
There's a space somewhere. Okay, we can put one more here. I think it's gonna fit all of them. All right, it's time to put some tallow around it so that it doesn't get burnt. She told me to put tallow. That's what I'm definitely doing. This is gonna be like the way we roast nyama. That's how we're gonna roast this zucchini. I needed to put some on the tray down here. It fits. Everyone has fitted down here. So that's the towel is enough. So now what we're going to put is salt. Let's put some salt. Sprinkle salt everywhere. That's it. Oh, this is something I should have done a while ago. I guess I'm gonna have to do it right now. Is to turn on the oven. Oven turn on. And then start. I'm just gonna bake at 350. Let me see if there's something in the oven. Yes, there is. going to give it about 30 minutes to 1 hour. We'll be checking regularly and to just make sure it's ready and it doesn't burn. I do not know exact time on when it's supposed to be ready, so I'll be checking from time to time. But stay tuned till the end and find out the results of our zucchini squash. Right now it's the moment of truth. Let's see what we actually made, how it tastes, okay? So I'm going to get our squash from the oven. Let's get our zucchini from the oven, okay? Let's get together. Oh, it's hot. That's how it's turned out to be. Our zucchini squash, it has shrunk. Baby, it has shrunk. I think we should taste this thing together, my love. Okay, our squash is right here. We are going to taste and see. I want to take this one. This one is well cooked. It actually tastes good. It tastes very good. I'm just grateful I did not boil this in pot and water because it was gonna be watery. Definitely this zucchini looks watery, but I think roasting makes it taste better and easier. Some people say it's good to eat with the maganda, but me, I think I'll just eat the inside one.
Yeah.
Honest review, babe. It's hot.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah, I think it tastes good.
Yeah.
And it's a good thing we didn't put it in water and pot.
Yeah, it looks
because
watery.
it is watery.
Yeah.
But it's a good food for the babies, especially
yeah, it's
the
good
kids.
also for the
And
babies.
it actually tastes good apart from the watery. You know, we come from Africa. You people don't blame us. Well, we never use.
The only suggestion that I will give is that since the taste is like watery. If we could add something like salt. That is my suggestion.
Yeah. To drain water more. But
and also to add some taste.
I put salt.
I don't get
Here,
the salt.
Taste this one. This one has salt. Maybe I just didn't put it evenly. How does it taste?
Yeah.
It tastes good. So we honestly come from Africa where we're used to eating pumpkins that are dry and not watery. I mean, it's just different texture from this one. It's a new type of squash we are learning to eat, and I think we're going to embrace this. It tastes good, by the way, and it's very nutritious. So my husband has got more. So you can try this. This is so yummy and amazing. Please like, subscribe and share. Please like, subscribe and share. We are going to enjoy our zucchini squash as you guys enjoy with us eating it.